Hi, this is Mick from NOLFnews.com. I'm going to show you guys how to make an AM map, an assault map. I've already gone and stretched out our original basic level. See how it's a lot longer now. And I've already gone and added objects to this level. To enter object editing mode, go ahead and click your object edit. Just like your geometry or brush edit, it does the same thing, except now you select through objects. I've clicked the 1 on the end, which is my Unity intelligence. To set this to work correctly in the AM map, go ahead and run down your list and change what kind of type you want it to be. And you want it to be a Unity briefcase because this is the Unity side. So go ahead and make sure that's selected. The one thing where you get into a little bit of a code is you pick up command. If you want to type in a bigger window, here you go. Just click the little dot next to it. Type this in there. Message Unity intelligence respawn. That'll make sure that it will come back again. And your team filter. You don't want your own team to turn around and grab points from your filter. Unity is team 1. Harm is team 2. So you want only team 2 to trigger this object. So player team filter 2. So that means only team 2 can trigger this object. So that's what you do. You set it for 2. And then your respawn time should be set for 30. And the same thing goes for the other side. This is the harm side. So go ahead and roll over to the other side and click the object. Now you run down, and now you can check out its settings. This is the harm intelligence. I roll down my list, and I check my type. This one is a harm briefcase. And make sure that is checked. And it's about the same thing. Message, harm intelligence respawn. The message goes to what the actual object name is, harm intelligence. So that's the name of the object. You make sure that that's the name that you're typing to. This is the harm intelligence. That command is telling there's a message to your computer, and to the server, that there's a message to respawn the harm intelligence object. And they'll respawn it after that 30 seconds, so it will come back. And the same thing, you want the team filter to be set for 1, so only Unity players can trigger that side of the box. So that's the real basic right there, setting the basics of that one. Now for setting team filters, or team sides, go ahead and click, I've already set the players in here, per side. Go ahead and click this side player. This is the harm side over here. So what we do is we change our game type to harm versus Unity, and so harm versus Unity, and make sure you change your team. On this side, this is the harm player, so you set it for team 2, and next to his Unity, next to his intelligence, which it can only be triggered by team 1, which is Unity. Now if I roll over to the other side, where there's a starting point, right here, I click it. This is the team 1. This is a Unity starting point. So that's how you start Unity and harm maps for No One Lives Forever. So this is Mick for NOLFnews.com.